yummy.
What did you get?
Filet.
No, he got num-nums.
Yeah. Other than the fat and the chipmunk cheeks
Her fat's right
that I'm
here.
zooming in on now.
No.
How is it?
Good.
How is it?
Good.
Jessica, chipmunk cheeks, restaurant you wanted. How is it?
It's pretty good.
What'd you get?
Thighs and ribs.
And a drink?
Even better. Huckleberry vodka.
Just a couple over there.
Just a few huckleberry vodka mules.
Christian.
Good stuff.
Excellent.
Christian,
The crap's one.
what are you eating?
I'm probably gonna regret eating it.
Huh?
It's happy, but I'm probably gonna regret eating it.
What does it taste like?
Mint and candy, I think. I don't know.
Christian, you know what it tastes like, what I see from down here?
Craters.
Great.
Are people gonna die? I hope. Is it a shootout? Is it a shootout?
Yes.
Is it a real shutout?
No.
Maybe.
Maybe. I don't know. You guys aren't telling me anything.
But it looks like a shootout.
Yes, it does.
Jackson Hole, Wyoming.
You heard me.
For your safety, we ask that you stand.
It isn't very hard to do. Ow. At that, if I take you back to Tombstone, I'll leave your little gang beat.
Wait, what? What did you say?
Hey, I'm
He's making the acting joke.
Okay. Yeah, no, he's small, but I'm 6 foot on Tinder.
Hey, all right, don't. Hey, you stay out of this! Oh, whoa!
What the heck was that?
What am I gonna do? Confiscate the shooting iron again, you trigger-happy turkey? Sorry, boss, just got excited. Yeah, follow my lead.
You were easy to track down and easier to beat.
Trust your aim, Pam.
So we just found a moose down there, and lucky us, it's not in front of the road, so we can't really encounter it, but I don't think it sees us, so.
Today we went swimming in a hot spring, and it comes out of a mountain.
And
The bottom over there is really greasy. It was hot, and now I'm still hot.
On fire.
Stop shaking it, Jazz.
It's okay. Christian's legs are in 2 different seats.
I didn't even know that this was supposed to be for legs. I just put my leg in here.
No, ask the guy right there to hold it. No, I can't ask him to hold it. I'm not even by him. Ask her. She's gonna be by him. Look, ask her to hold it. Oh my goodness. No! No!
Mom, we're not gonna get off.
I'm in my hair.
There you go. And when you reach this red line, run to the left.
It's not nice. Film how scary that is.